missed the last train tonight at the end of the stairs at Hongdae Entrance Station. Through the smell of street food steam, my sigh rises up with it. I empty out my pockets, a couple of coins, a crumpled receipt, and that paper with your number on it keeps catching at my fingertips. In front of that cafe you left me at, only the signboard light flickers alone. The sea where you once smiled sits empty, even the chair seems to mock me. Oh man, again it's Hongdae Entrance Blues. Your name just lingers, it lingers again. The intersection light turns green, but my heart is still on red. Still it's Hongdae Entrance Blues. Your face blurs in my glass of liquor. Those once sweet lips now burn me with bitter words. Whoa. A guitar echoes through the alley, someone singing about love, but my nailed down heart falls behind. Half a beat late, that small concert we had tickets for, those seats. Two empty chairs sit there now with only dust clapping in our place. That shop you used to love, light sees through the curtain. All the talks we shared, are they hiding under the counter too? Once again, Hongdae Entrance Blues. I wonder, tracing your footsteps, fragments of laughter are scattered in every alley I step on. Endless Hongdae Entrance Blues. Let's go home, but my feet won't listen. Only the cold night air fills up, empty just like your absence. Yeah. Someday, will this street become a memory I can smile at? Or like today, will your name echo with no reply? Yeah, still it's Hongdae Entrance Blues. I call out again at the end of this street, trying hard to force out a single word, goodbye. Yet it's still Hongdae Entrance Blues, frozen on the day you left. This heart that missed the last train cries until the first train comes. Oh,